Hey, how's it going, guys? So it's Sauce22 back in our video, and this could be the first giveaway winners for this new daily giveaway series. So here we go. So 3 players I'm announcing winners for today are, if I can find him here, there he is, 85 overall Clay Matthews, 86 Giovanni Bernard, and then 89 Jaquiski Tart. So let me start with Clay Matthews. Alright, so the winner for Clay Matthews is Go Kaj. Again, Go Kaj. Now for 86 Geo, take a look at his stats here before I announce the winner. 89 speed, 93 excel, 92 carry, 98 agility, 97 juke move. Definitely a good card here. And the winner is KJ20568. Again, KJ20568. So now for Tart here, 89 overall, 94 speed, 96 excel, 94 hit power, 6'1". And the winner is DDAB987. Again, DDAB987. So the winners for this video, be sure to message me on Xbox so I can get your cards. Now you guys won't know which card I'm going to give away, but I'm going to give away 3 each day. So if you're already entered on the video before, don't worry about entering again. You'll just be entered for every single day that I do this. But if you guys are new, be sure to go to my previous video where, all the people commented the gamer tags and stuff for this giveaway. And just follow the rules in the description to enter. But anyway, gonna open a few packs here. Bradley Roby. And nothing else. Right, next pack here. Another gold player, but did get a draft badge, and those are actually worth something right now. Alright, Tyrone Crawford. Alright, third pack up here. Let's see. Nope, another gold. OCU Manura. It has literally been forever since I pulled an elite. Yeah. Reveal all pack. Nope, just Brandon Pettigrew. Oh man. Alright, anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Again, thank you to everyone who entered. You'll be entered throughout this whole giveaway series. But if you're new, once again, be sure to go to my previous video where everybody entered their gamer tags and it says daily giveaway series open, and you'll be entered for this whole series. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, comment if you want to, and I'm out.